Right now, there are tons of different crypto projects out there. Most of their prices are just driven by speculation. But what if there was a new type of crypto that wasn't just relying on that? Its value is also based on its practicality and the profits distributed to holders, kind of like stocks. In this video, I'm going to introduce a category of projects. This would be a huge turning point for the entire crypto space, especially for developers. You've got to stick around and see how it unfolds. Hi, crypto isn't just for programmers. I'm Gita. On this channel, I'll help you go from a beginner to a Web3 professional. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give me a like. If you want to stay in the Web3 market long term, the best way is to improve your skills and become a Web3 app developer. Head over to our homepage. I'll guide you step by step. Most of the value of crypto is really just supported by speculation. Like when you see the price of Bitcoin, you might ask yourself why it's worth that much. The answer is pretty simple. A lot of people choose to store their value in Bitcoin, which has driven the price up to where it is now. Because of that, everyone keeps wondering about where the price will go next. But that doesn't have to be a bad thing. This is how it works. A lot of people who are new to crypto wonder why the value of this token is like this. Because it's different from how stocks operate. Even though in the stock market, stocks can be overhyped or underestimated. But generally, their value is tied to the company's earnings. So, if you own shares of a company, it's like owning a piece of its assets. Plus, when the company pays out dividends, you actually get some cash flow. But most cryptocurrencies don't have that kind of setup. Holders don't earn anything from the network or protocol's income. Only a few new types of tokens come with that dividend feature. Today, I want to talk about a project called Uniswap. It's a great example because it could really shake things up in the crypto space. Uniswap is one of the hottest decentralized platforms out there right now. They recently made some big announcements. Unichain is a decentralized platform called Uniswap where users can easily swap tokens. It's a key part of the crypto scene. One of its uses is for exchanging and speculation. So far, Uniswap's main network has been on Ethereum. It's the second largest crypto platform by market cap. Ethereum is the most popular smart contract platform, but it's a bit slow and has high gas fees. That's why we have layered to scaling solutions like Arbitrum. Base. Optimism. Uniswap has moved over to these layer to networks. With the launch of Unichain, they've now got their own layer to scaling solution, making it a new major hub for Uniswap applications. It's built on Optimism's tech for a couple of big reasons. First off, issue of scattered liquidity. There's a ton of crypto locked up on Uniswap, but it's spread out across different blockchains. Unichain aims to pool liquidity so that users can access more resources when swapping tokens. Plus, the overall user experience. Cut down on the time and costs for exchanging tokens, making it cheaper and more efficient. But the key point and the reason I made this video is increasing the exchange fees on Unichain will be shared with Uniswap token holders. Since Uniswap launched in 2020, it has had its own token mainly used for governance voting at first. With the launch of Unichain, people who hold and stake Uniswap tokens will now benefit from the exchange settlement fees, which is a big breakthrough for the crypto space. This is especially relevant when it comes to managing Uniswap funds and making decisions. Just like with stocks, where the value usually comes from company assets and dividends, Uniswap token holders can now also earn returns from the actual usage of the platform. This new model is changing how we value crypto. It's not just about speculation anymore. I really think this is going to be a huge change. This new type of crypto isn't just about holding tokens. It actually lets holders benefit from their actual needs. Basically, keep trading on this platform, especially during a bull market. When the trading volume goes up, a lot of fees come back to the holders. This makes the value of the token more grounded. I rely purely on speculation. This misvaluation method is much more practical. Plus, Uniswap team has been working on this for a long time. When thinking about how to provide returns to token holders, the focus is mostly on the fee switch, which basically means benefiting the token holders. A part of the platform's revenue gets distributed, but it's been a challenge because of regulatory issues. Unichain's launch got around that problem, even though it doesn't directly share exchange fees. By distributing settlement fees to holders, you not only navigate legal risks but also provide a stable income for token holders, which aligns with the current regulatory framework. Even though Uniswap token holders don't directly participate in the protocol's fee sharing right now, the way settlement fees are distributed still brings in significant income, even though the transaction fees aren't entirely tied to the exchange amount. A lot of exchange activities can still bring in great profits. This new model creates a way to value things that's pretty different from the traditional crypto method. This also opens up new possibilities for future tokens with similar dividend mechanisms. If the regulatory environment in the U.S. becomes clearer, we might see more projects adopting this kind of dividend model, especially with the launch of Unichain. Some people might worry that it could impact Ethereum or even lessen its value. But really, Uniswap isn't going anywhere, it's sticking with the Ethereum main chain. So users can still choose to stick with that. You can swap on Unichain. Even though Unichain might reduce some of the swap volume on the Ethereum main chain, the overall impact on Ethereum isn't that big. Plus, Unichain acts as a layered scaling solution. You still have to pay gas fees on Ethereum, which means that trading on Unichain will also add value to Ethereum. For developers, the launch of Unichain opens up new opportunities. Whenever a new blockchain pops up, it means a new ecosystem is forming. That ecosystem needs different apps to join in. Uniswap is definitely the main player, but other apps can also be built on top of Unichain. Uniswap also rolled out a developer grant program to provide funding in hackathon events, helping developers work on projects on Unichain and compete for grants or prizes. This gives developers a great chance to show off their skills and gain experience. If you want to learn about developing on the Solana chain and Ethereum EVM chain, make sure to follow our channel for more related content. If you'd like to join our community, you can visit our website, where you'll find a link to join our Discord server. See you there.